Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I did a video on this earlier today, and I just started thinking make it look pretty cool to make it look like the baby was actually sitting in the water. Close up, maybe it's not so much, but it really kind of does to me. So how I did that, pretty easy, simple steps. Let's put the baby about like right there. And then this picture is almost 10 inches, so let's make a 10-inch nudge. And let's go ahead and grab it all and make a duplicate and move it over. And then we're going to grab the baby and nudge it over. And we're going to make two rectangles. And we're going to make one that covers the entire baby up to about there. And then make another rectangle that covers up the rest of it. And you can make it even bigger. You need to make sure everything's covered. And they need to match. They need to touch in the middle, and they are. So now what I'm going to do is make a duplicate of that box and move it here. And then I'm going to try to grab the baby. Well, I'll move my box. Well, for that matter of fact, I can delete that box. Now make a duplicate of my baby and put it there. And then I can just use this one. So I'm going to fill this in with a blue, and I'm going to fill this in with a blue. I'm going to grab both these, and I'm going to go to intersect. And look at that. There's our baby's feet. Go here, intersect. There's our baby above the water. You can see a little bit of a line maybe, but what you could do before you do anything else, you could set your nudge factor on 0.001 and grab that bottom picture and just nudge it up a little bit. There's a lot of different things you could do here, but I just picked the transparency tool and made it a little more transparent. So it actually looks like a water line, and kind of diffuses let me check off of you. There's always some marks when you check on something. Now maybe this dot that's in the pond, well, you know what? We could move the whole baby around. Let's make our nudge factor like 1.2. And we can grab our entire baby and nudge it over a little bit. Of course, you wouldn't want to get it too close to the edge like it's fixing to fall in. And there's other things you could do. You could blur it. But that looks pretty real. I mean, and only because the water is a perfectly flat water is this really working. Pretty cool idea. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.